Places Season 4! Yay! What do you have there, Sophie? Blind boxes! This is so cute. Can I see? Look at friends. Look at this cute blind box. It looks like a little stable. You see that? Will you find the limited edition Petkin inside? I don't know. There's a little Shoppies right here. I think that's Rainbow Kate. And look at here. We have Jessie Cake with pony cakes. Ooh. And look who's waiting here. Another Shoppie. And we have the Pampered Pony Stable. This is the welcome pack. New pony for your happy scene. Oh, this is a new pony. I haven't seen her show up yet. And here's Jessie Cake. And this is the new Pony Crumbles pony. Wow, I like this. She's so pretty. So it looks like Cookie Crumbles will be in here because this is Pony Crumbles. Oh, look at the side. It's cool. We got a little pail with a shovel. And here's what we'll get inside. Pony Crumbles loves hanging out in her happy stable. Happiness is being a pampered pony. Pony Crumbles is a total treat to be around. Set up her stable so her petkins are able to cater for all her needs. Create the perfect room to groom and feed Pony Crumbles so that it's a happy place with awesome taste. So this is what we'll get inside our welcome pack. We're gonna get one Pampered Pony Stable trowel, a grain. This is a bucket, another grain, and we have hay bale, shampoo, a scoop, a water pump, brush, horseshoe, an apple, and a bag of grains. And this one includes 2 tiles. It also includes a catalog with special features and designer tips. Ooh, that's cool. I want to see that. If you want to collect more, there's the welcome pack, the decorators pack, happy places, and the little Shoppies pony pack and surprise pack, which we have, right, Sophie? We have the surprise pack. And we have one more. It's the Pretty Pony Show Jumping. So this one is a decorators pack. Oh look, here's another pony. Ooh, the Jessie Cake right here. And these are all the little petkins we'll get inside of this decorators pack. Okay, let's see their names. More petkins for your Pretty Pony Show Jumping. So here we have our jump slide, our trophy, our storage crate, a hedge, a flag, another jump, and we have our riding cap, a ribbon, and a comb, and riding shoes. And this one includes 2 tiles. Okay, and it also comes with the catalog, just like the other welcome pack. Here's our checklist for our blind box. You look cool. Wow. Wow, you have a lot. Wow, that's a lot of bags, Sophie. A tile. You got a tile? Here's our list. Wow, check out these limited edition. They're so cool. Will you find the limited edition petkins? They are the most valuable and treasured petkins you can find. Wow, check out that Pampered Pony Stable spinning lamp with the little pony inside. It's cute. And we have a little carousel. Oh, so many cute ones. And here's more. We have the Cozy Kitty School Camp, the Berry Delicious Cooking Class, the Mousy Art Class. So look like there's more decorators pack for this.
It's cute.
Yeah, so what you open, Sophie?
Yes.
Oh, very cute. Oh, this looks like it's for the Mousy Art Class. Sophie just opened up the sewing bag.
A sewing bag.
Yeah. And we have a little spool.
And
And one more, we have the sewing machine. So Sophie got a pink tile on this blind box. And here are her stuff. She has a cute little recipe book stand.
I got
it's cute.
a blue one.
Oh, you got a blue one? And here we got a recipe book and a tiny little recipe card that comes off. So tiny. It's so cute though. And then it goes like that on the recipe stand. It's cute. Okay, we'll put it right here. It keeps dropping. And then one more, Sophie. And our last blind box, we have a little teal color tile. And she has a pencil case. A little mousy pencil case. A little pencil sharpener. And a little pencil. So tiny. And it goes in like that. There you go. Alrighty, should we open our pony? I think Pony Cakes needs a new friend. Alright, we're gonna open Pony Crumbles. Okay, so we have Pony Crumbles out, and here's our pony. It's so beautiful. She has pink eyes, and look at her brown wavy hair. She has a pink bow on here. So cute. And look, there's cookie crumbles on her little saddle. Pretty. Yeah, here you go, Sophie. Get it. Put Pippa on her. And here's our cute little tile. It has a horseshoe on her little tile. Cool, I like this. Here is the checklist, our Pampered Pony Stable. So this is what we get in here. And look for more. Wow. Okay, so we got the Pampered Pony Stable right there. There's going to be a Cozy Kitty school camp. Wow, that's going to be fun. Look at this cool sleeping bag. And a very delicious cooking class. And the Pretty Pony Show Jumping. So Sophie's going to open our Pretty Pony Show Jumping. And then I'm going to take a closer look at these cute little petkins. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's adorable. This is our little water pump. Cool. I'll put it out here. Our shampoo bottle. Here's our shampoo bottle. Wow, check out this horseshoe. It's so cute and pink. Little tail. And here's our little scoop to get our grains out. Little pony face. Let me see these grains. These grains are cute. Look at that. So tiny. And we get 2 of those. And we have our little brush. Here's our apple. And here's our trowel. Our hay bale. Here's our bag of grain. It's cute. We have our bucket. It's a horseshoe. And here's our fork to get our hay out of the hay bale. Like that. Okay. So Sophie got this open and we found blind bags in here. I wonder what they are. So we got 3 blind bags in this pack, and here is our first blind bag shop petkin. And this is a holder. And this is our canteen, water canteen. So it goes in the holder. And we have our tiny little cup. Here's our Pretty Pony Show Jumping storage crate. So cute, it's blue. And we have here our comb, our pink comb. We'll put it in the storage crate. And we have a flag. And here is our riding cap. It's so cute. Here is our ribbon. First place ribbon. We have our riding shoes. And here is our jump side. Very cute. Look at the vine. Oh, this one's cute. This is our little jump. Ooh, our trophy. Wow, so pretty. It's all gold. It's shiny. And here's our hedge. And that ends this video. Wow, I think we collected all of the ponies, Sophie. Yeah, this is like, it looks like a complete set because checking from the checklist, I don't see anything that's new. So we have the Pampered Pony stable, which is Pony Crumbles over there. And then we have the Pretty Pony Show Jumping, which are these little things right here. And then we have our pony stable. So I think that's it. I don't know. If we find more friends, we'll let you know. But look at our collection so far. I'm loving this. We just gotta get our Shoppies. Our Shoppies has not arrived yet. So once they arrive, we can have our complete pony stable. If you like our video, make sure you give us a like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, friends.